Next up here we have is a batch of cockatiels. The Lutino, some grays, and a nice pearl. They're already getting quite far along. The pearl's almost ready to fly, so is the Lutino. They're in their drawdown stages, getting ready for their first flight. The younger ones are still quite hungry, quite active. So let's get them fed as quickly as possible. Come in here afterwards. This guy, he wants to be first, obviously. There we go, little gray cockatiel. Very hungry, very eager. Oh, he wants to, ooh, yeah, here we go. Now I'm over here. He acts like he's starving, but it's only been 4 hours since the last hand feeding. There we go, nice strong latch on, good quick feed rate. Yeah, he's hungry. Cockatiels they start off small, but they get very, very big, very, very fast. They grow a lot in a short amount of time. So fast you can almost hear them creaking. First cockatiel done. He still acts like he's hungry, of course. That's just how cockatiels are. Let's see, next up. Another little gray, a little more yellow to his wings. Let's keep a hold of him. There we go. No force feeding here. But one wing flap. But control. Got to keep control of the head. And just like that, he's done. That was a fast one. Another little gray. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little cockatiels. And he's hungry and he's off. There he goes. Absolutely no fear of people. They're already out coming up for a little bit of cuddle time in the evenings. Get them used to being handled, get them used to being touched. And that's done. New land speed record. At this age, they are walking appetites. Go for one of the older ones. A little less demanding. Well, not that you can tell. But eating a little less now because they're getting ready for their first flight. There we go. I guess at this feeding they're pretty hungry. Well, oh, slowing down. And now we have a refusal. Only halfway done. Only half the amount that the younger ones take. But he's done. He's done. They want to lose weight before they want to take their first flight, so they eat a little less. Not so bad with cockatiels. With coners, they stop eating completely for a few days. Oh, I know. Here we have a nice little pearl. Very pretty birdie. Wonderful colors. And again, about halfway through. And done. This was actually pretty close to full size. Hasn't taken their first flight yet, probably today or tomorrow. And after that, they'll be eating like crazy again. There we go. One batch of cockatiels, all fed, ready to go back into the brooder. Done.